Hi, it's Hussein. So today I would like to share you a project that I've been working on during this Corona season. So let's get to it. So recently I bought a laptop table from Shopee. It was kinda decent at the start, but I had so many stuff that I want to put on the table. I have a laptop, a mouse, my headphone and my Xbox controller. So I start with some conceptual sketches and draw whatever shape that crossed in my mind. I have to make sure to add the necessary dimensions such as the thickness of the table, the thickness of the part that I want to print, and how the part should be used. Next, I proceed with the 3D design and print it using my Ender 3. And these are the results of my 3D printing parts. So far, all the parts function quite well and as expected. I also designed a real drawer table to place my mechanical keyboard. And this is how it looks like. Alright, I guess that's all from me. Do like and subscribe my channel for more future videos. And the channel is in the link